Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we will learn how to use PowerPoint and how to make it neat for the text and for the shapes like this. So basically I will tell you that we can draw the shapes like this. So let's start to creating this slide like this. So first of all, we need to create insert, and then you can choose title and contain, and I will make it fast. You can copy and paste for the title, and then for the first text you can start typing the first text like this. So this is the first text, and you can set the size of your text. You need to go to home, and then you will see the font option, and then you can make it bigger or smaller. And then how to draw the shape like this. So basically, if you want to add anything, whether the graphic or the shape, you need to go to insert menu, and then you need to go to shapes, this one. You can draw shapes, and then you can choose. There are several shapes that you can use it. Let's start the first one, the basic. Choose rectangle like this, and then as usual you can use copy and paste to duplicate your shapes. Just copy and paste. So that's how to draw the shapes. And then, so after we draw the shape, and if you want to add the text, basically just click the shape, and then you can directly type. So that's how to add the text on your shapes. And then how about the arrow? Look at here, arrow. One more time, you need to go to insert and then shape, and then there's a lot arrow that you can use it, but for this time we need to use block arrow. You can draw, and then you can put it to your shapes, between your shapes, and then just copy and paste. So that's how to draw shapes and arrow. This time we will to make it neat for your shapes. So let's say the position of your shape may be a little bit messy, okay, or we will make it a little bit different, so later we can use the function to make it neat. So how to do that? So this time we will make it neat for your shape. So for example, if your position, the shape, is in correct position, so the first step we can use it manually and just drag it, and then you will see the guidelines will help you to set your position. On the left side and on the right side you can see the gap between the shape, and then you can put your shape and then arrange your shape. So this is the way how to make it neat. But sometimes the position is not perfect for the position for each shape. So how to make it perfect for the position for each shapes? First of all, let's start make it a little bit different for the position, and this time we will make it using the function from the main menu. So you need to make sure you need to click the first shape, and then you need to press and hold shift to select the second shape. Hold shift and then click the shape. So after we select all the shapes together, we need to set the position for each shapes. You need to go to shape format and then go to align. This function, it will help you to arrange your shapes. First, click, and then you will see there's some option appears. First, we can choose align middle. So it will help you to set your shape perfect at the middle. Perfect at the middle. You can see, you can to notice the middle for each shape. This is the middle. And then after we set the position, we need to notice the gap, the distance between each shape are not equal. A little bit wider and then a little bit smaller. So how to make it the gap between the shape equal? Let's continue, go to align, and then you need to choose distribute. This time we will use distribute horizontally. So the gap between each shape, it will equal. So that's how to make it neat for the shape. Not only for the middle, so if we want to put vertically, we can use another option. So for example, I will put the process here. And then you can see the first option, we can use the guideline, the wrap dashed line. It will help you to make it perfect at the middle. But one more time, we can use command to make it perfect at the middle. So let's say the position of your shape like this. You can select all shapes together and then go to shape format and then go to align, and then this time we will use align center. How about the arrow? How about the align left or align right? So if we use align, I will put it here. And I will make it like this. So for the align left, we will see the different. Align left. So this is the align left. Everything will going move on the left side, including align right. So if you want to put it perfect at the middle, you need to choose align. I will rotate it, and then one more time, just select everything and then go to shape format, align, and this time you need to choose align center. And then for the gap, continue, use distribute vertically. So this time your shape, it will more neat. So this is the way how to make everything neatly. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in another video.